Welcome to Chapter. Today, we'll learn the difference between two verbs that often confuse people, rise and raise. They may look similar, but they are used in different ways. Let's find out how. Rise means to move upward or to get up by yourself. It is something you do on your own, you don't need to use it with an object. For example, we say, the sun rises in the morning. The sun is doing the action itself. Another example is he rises from his seat. So remember, rise doesn't act on anything else. Now let's talk about raise. Raise means to lift something up, and that something is important. It always needs an object. For example, she raised her hand. Here, hand is the object being raised. Or, we raised the flag. In both examples, you are doing the action to something else. Let's look at the key difference. Rise means going up on your own, like the sun or a person getting up. It doesn't need any object. But raise means to lift or move something else, and it always needs an object. This simple rule helps you remember when to use each one. Here are some common mistakes students make. If you say he raised from bed, that's wrong, because there is no object. You should say he rose from bed. Also, people often say the balloon rised, but that's incorrect, it should be the balloon rose. Always remember the right verb forms too: rise, rose, risen. Let's recap what we learned. Rise is used when nothing is being acted on, you just get up. Raise is used when you lift something. And remember the forms: rise, rose, risen, versus raise, raised, raised. Use this simple trick: you rise from bed, but raise your hand. That's it. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.